Hello, this is JD from AWD Wix, and I'm here to show you a short tutorial on how to make someone an admin of your website. So you just simply go to the site and select it that you want someone to be an admin or collaborator on. Once it loads, you go down to Settings and find Roles and Permissions. And then add a collaborator or invite. Say if you're adding me as an admin, you would type in Zion_productions at msn.com, and then you would click Website Manager, and then you would go down to the bottom of the page and click Send Invite. Now if you wanted to make somebody a co-owner of your site, which gives them permissions to do pretty much everything that you can do, you would click co-owner and then go down and send the invite. But for me, I prefer just Website Manager. Go down and send the invite, and that's how you make somebody a collaborator or an admin of your website. See you next time. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. God bless and stay safe.